Hey guys, what's up? My name is Vishal from my web, and in this video I'm just going to make this sidebar panel. Actually it's already created, but it has on a single toggle button. When I click on that, it's not working. So let's make it functional by using a little bit of jQuery. jQuery. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm just open my text editor where we have an index.php, and in the end of this file, as you can see, here is a script tag, and I already included a main.js file which are already placed in the JS folder. Okay, so let's begin with starting up the jQuery function. So here is my function, dollar sorry for that. Document ready and function. Yeah, cool. It's not functions, it's only function. Okay, yeah. And after that we have a menu button. Let's check it. What is the class? Because we need toggle button, so it's a menu button, menu hyphen btn. So dollar, and where we need to write the selector. So selector name is menu hyphen btn, and when you are click on that button, so we need to put the click function, and in the click function we need to write another function. So what you need to put, okay, when I put click on this menu button, so we just want to decrease the width of this side panel. Okay, so dollar and what is the selector name of the sidebar? Let's see. It's a dot sidebar. Okay, copy and dot sidebar, and add some CSS function. So write some arrays in the jQuery. So first of all we need to change the width. So width is 17 or 80 pixels. 17 is enough for that. Okay, cool. Let's save and check in the browser. Refresh. Yeah, as you can see that here is our sidebar panel is working now. Refresh. Now when you what is the next thing is, when you click on that, there must be a close or on an arrow icon must be put on this place, and I mean to say replace with a close button. So now I'm going to the index.php file and write we need to put a close button. So what we need, class fas fa hyphen right array. Okay, yeah, fs arrow right, and let's see, refresh. As you can see, there is a black right arrow icon, so make it text white, and also put a close btn class name. Okay, and save. But what happen if you are click on that? Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to hide this button when I click on this button. And let's see, we need to hide this from the CSS. So here is our admin_panel.css. So in this, here is our dot close button. First of all, you need to make it clickable, so I'm just click on the cursor and its pointer. Okay, and yeah, of course, so we need to display make it hide, so display none. Okay, let's check, refresh. Okay, so here is our another task is to, when I click on the toggle button, it must be hidden, and our arrow button should be show in this subheader. So let's say come to the main.js file, and when you click on that CSS menu button, what happened to this? Dollar dot close -btn dot show. Okay, and dollar, the selected name is menu, because of we also want to hide the menu button dot hide. Okay, Control S to save and refresh. Let's check. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, but let's make it functional too. There is this arrow, because of when I click on that arrow key, it's not working as well as. So let's go and come out this menu button properties function and make another function dot close -btn and dot click function. Yeah, put the semicolon at here. Yeah, dot sidebar, and change the CSS properties. This and put the with associate key, like a arrow, sorry, not, and 300 pixel. Yeah, and after that we just to make it opposite, so I copy this thing. Okay, and it's so is changing to the hide, and this hide function replace with a show option. Control S to save and check in the browser, refresh and check it again. Yeah, as you can see, here is our toggle animation is working on. Now let's change some CSS properties of this text, because of when you click on that and when the sidebar is decreased, loss is with size, so we need to hide this text also. So come in this and okay, let's come into the index.php file, and yeah, here is our text. So we must need to take a span tag for this tag. So I write a span class text link span, sorry, okay. Now I copy this thing and put it at array single list. Yeah, and after the end, yeah, it's cool. Control S to save and come in the main.js file, and also out of this close button, sorry, out of this sidebar CSS function, take another selector which is text link. Wait a minute, link text or a link text link, okay, text link, it's fine, and dot hide, and here is dollar inverted comma between the single quotes dot text link dot show. Okay, now let's see, refresh, and yeah, it's fine. And let's increase the size of this icons. So I put the font size, okay, font size in this jQuery method, using the jQuery. Font size maybe 30 to 35 pixels. Let's see, let's check using 30 pixel only. Okay, make it into the 35 pixel, 35, and add here dot font size changed in 16 pixel. Cool, let's save and hit the refresh button, and let's check. Well, our side panel is working fine, and also it hide this side. Okay, let's see what's happening at there. Okay, it's not looking good. Yeah. It's from the margin top, it must be -5 pixel. Okay, so let's check that. Into the admin underscore panel.css file, and let's check this li. Yeah, we have a sidebar nav. Okay, so let's take the padding from the, it's here is our nav sidebar, and in this sidebar we have a li tag. So I just want to take the padding from the left, and it must be 15 pixel. Okay, let's check. Control out to refresh and check it out. Yeah, it's looking good. So it must be 15 pixel, and line height is also same as well as of height, 50 pixel, and let's check. Sorry, it's 15 pixel. Yeah, now click on that. Okay, cool. Now our side panel is working fine with this settled CSS, and click on that. So in the next video, so thank you so much guys for watching this video, and in the next video we will be working on the PHP methods and make a database connection, and add some PHP function and for a backend service. So let's see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.